How to prepare for an open house. So in these interesting times that we're in, still the best ways to prepare for an open house are still very much the same. Even though a lot of times we're doing virtual open houses where the agent alone will come into the home and do either a Facebook Live or an IG Live and actually stream the open house. We've seen those. We've been doing some of those. But we're also still doing traditional open houses. We are only offering limited occupants into the home at a time to ensure that everyone is safe. But what you want to do to prepare, one, is make sure you're not home. We have had some clients want to be home during an open house, and that is ill-advised. So you want the house to be empty, meaning no other humans other than the agent and any visitors. Two, you also want to make sure that the house smells good. It's clean. It's preferably been professionally cleaned. That's going to actually be more important than decluttering. When a prospective buyer walks into a home and it smells good, then it just releases some endorphins and they feel good about being there, and they'll take their time, look around, and hopefully be interested in purchasing it. And then of course you want to declutter if you're able. That sometimes can mean just taking everything and cramming it into the garage. It would be much better to have the garage jam-packed with stuff, but the house is sparsely furnished, than to have the garage empty and clutter in different rooms. So in a nutshell, those are kind of the best ways to prepare for an open house if you're getting ready for this weekend or next.